Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 2, that is Tinker Bell. It is written by Ruskin Bond. This story is about an unusual friendship of a god and a boy. Let's read the story and find out more. Tinkerbell is a god who forms an unusual friendship with a boy. Read the story to find out if there are any similarities between Timur and Tinker. Okay, so in this chapter we will read about the unusual friendship, that is not a normal friendship between a boy and a Tinkerbell who is a god. Okay, so how their story is similar to Timur and Tinker. Here the Timur the mention is from the warm-up activity. Let us read warm-up activity first. Read this real life incident. A billy goat called Timur met a Siberian tiger called Amur in a Russian zoo. People thought that Amur would kill the goat for food, but to everyone's surprise, two animals become great friends. Timur was not afraid of Amur at all. He used to tease and irritate his big, strong friend and also play with him. Do you think animals can be friends with humans or each other? Okay, so like in this warm-up activity, the story mentioned that Amur and Timur are become friends. That is an unusual friendship because a tiger and a goat cannot be friends usually. So like this, in this story, we will also read about an unusual friendship. I had been sitting on the bank of a small irrigation canal, gazing at herons fishing in muddy water, when I felt something push my elbow. Looking round, I found a little goat at my side, soft as velvet and with pretty grey eyes. Neither her owner nor her mother was around. Okay, so in this story, first when a boy who is narrating his story, okay, the boy is narrating his story. So when he is sitting at bank of a small irrigation canal is an artificial stream made to supply water to crops. Okay, तो जब वो कैनाल के वहाँ बैठा था at the bank of that canal and he was looking at the herons is large white birds that live near water and have long necks and long legs. Okay, as we okay, so herons are birds. वो जब उन्होंने देख रहा था फिशिंग करते हुए, he felt something, उसे कुछ he just felt something that someone just pushed his elbow. Okay, and when he look around, जब वो इधर उधर देखता है, he found out that a little goat, a small goat, is rubbing his elbow. Okay, and that goat is so soft, वो वेलवेट की जैसे बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट थी, with a pretty grey eyes, उसकी eyes grey कलर की थी, and he cannot see any one of that mother or her owner around her. There was no one with her. She is alone. As she continued to nudge at me, I took a ginger biscuit from my pocket and held it out to her. She ate it with relish, then sat down beside me and began nibbling to the grass. Okay, so in this paragraph, nudge means push gently with the head or elbow. With relish means with a lot of pleasure and enjoyment. Nibbling means eating in a small bite. Okay, so here it is explained that the god is continuously nudging the boy, means he is continuously touching the boy at the elbow, and when she was touching the elbow, the boy thought she might be hungry, वो शायद भूखी हो सकती है, so he just gave his ginger biscuit, he just take out the ginger biscuit from the pocket and give it to the god. Okay, so उसने ginger biscuit जो है वो god को दे दिया, and after she ate the biscuit with full of pleasure, वो काफ़ी प्लेजर के साथ उस बिस्किट खा के she just sat near the boy, वो वहाँ पे जाके बैठ गई उसके पास, and just eat the grass slowly. Okay, जो पास में grass थी वो slowly she was eating that. A little later, when I started walking homeward, she followed me unsteadily. Go home, I said as she danced around me with thin trembling legs, but she did not seem to understand. I kept walking, feeling sure that I would soon leave the young god behind, but her legs were stronger than I had thought. She came along with a hoe, a skip and a jump right up to the gate of our house. Here, unsteadily means moving as if she may fall, and trembling means shaking because they are not strong enough. So after some time, boy started walking towards his home. He was going back to his home. He was and the god also followed him. Okay, so god जो वो भी उसके पीछे उसके घर जाने लगी with her small legs. Boy asked her to go back. He said that you should go home. But as God cannot understand what he said, she kept walking with him with her shaking legs. The god is very small, so her legs were shaking. उसके legs जो वो shake कर रहे थे. But she kept walking with him. Okay. Seeing God coming with him, boy start walking fast, leaving God behind. वो fast चलने लगा कि जो God है वो पीछे रह गई. But she seems to stronger than his thought, and with jumps and skips she landed with him at his house. और वो काफ़ी strong थी, इसलिए वो उसको jump करते हुए skip करते हुए उसके घर के वहाँ पे आ गई. There was nothing I could do but carry her in and present her to grandfather. Not another, said grandmother, when she saw the god in the garden drinking from a saucer of milk. I have told both of you again and again that I will not put up with another bird or animal in the house. Grandfather always my ally helped me. Here saucer means a bowl, put up with means accept or tolerate, ally means supporter or friend. So as God came with him, he cannot do anything as he cannot leave her there only. So he only take her in the house and told the grandfather about her. वो अपने grandfather को उसके बारे में बता सकता था कि उसको present के रूप में उनको दे दे. And seeing another animal in the house, his grandmother was not happy because they take so many animals in their house, in their garden. So he is not happy with the another new animal. And told both of them that she would not accept another animal in the house. उन्होंने बोल दिया कि वो एक और animal जो accept नहीं करेगी. As always, grandfather helped him as a friend, and like always, his grandfather helped him. His grandfather is like his friend only, so he again helped him to put that god in the house only.